Hey, it's Tanita
And Kira.
and we're at the Trey Songz concert.
And I'm fixing my makeup.
Yeah.
And
She has her Skittles in her purse, but we're not gonna get into that. It is very crowded and it's very hot, and our seats are kind of in the back. So Kira's not too happy about that.
I'm not at all.
But we are going to sneak in the front somehow, some way. We're strategizing right now.
Alright, that's alright. We'll be in Detroit. Trey, we will see you,
Yes,
honey.
we will. We will.
We will get to you one way or another.
And all the girls are really sweet. Like, this one girl just told me and Kiara that our outfits were very cute.
And then she said, but we think she had once too many drinks.
Yeah, I think she did. I think she started drinking already. It's okay.
I'll tell her about the outfit. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Thirsty.
That's messed. They look like they're going to prom. Seriously. For real, some people got on strapped up fucking sandals with glitter on them. Like, who wears that to the concert? And they got, I don't want to talk about Luke.
Oh, like you can really separate, the groupies from the fans. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and leave.
Well, best friend
These girls are really sweet. They're asking where she got her hair done from and about her outfit and stuff. They're really sweet. Okay, we're signing off. Bye.